Hey guys, this fish is just a bonus for the video, so
Beautiful fish.
thank you for watching. Very nice. This wood stain is definitely very nice. I like it. I will use it again. This kind of stain, I will use it again. So pretty. I sand this very smooth with 180 and it looks like a jewelry. So nice. So guys, if you have any question, anyone that has any question, please comment below and then I will answer the questions if I can. But I like working with wood. Every time I got a chance, I film some videos. I look into to make more professional videos, so everybody can get the idea and like very detailed how to work in this type of wood. This was all wood, very old, very ugly looking. I thought it was garbage, but my boss know better than me, so he was like, no, we're gonna save it, we're gonna use it in another job, and here I am. This is so beautiful. This is it for today, guys. I will leave a picture with this when it's dry, and thank you for watching the video. Leave your comment below, and until then, see you later. Guys, I just want to say, if you're using a stain, make sure you don't got drops, so you're gonna go back and check, make sure it's all good, and because it will look ugly in this type of job, so put light code and always check twice.